IRS Form 1099-G is used to report certain government payments. Federal, state, and local governments send this form to individuals who received unemployment compensation, state or local income tax refunds, agricultural payments, or certain other government payments during the year. The most common use of Form 1099-G is to report unemployment benefits, which are generally taxable as ordinary income. The Payer section identifies the government agency making the payment. The agency's name, address, and federal identification number appear at the top of the form. Your name, address, and taxpayer identification number appear as the recipient. If the payment was made to you jointly with another person, both names may appear. The account number may identify your unemployment claim number or other government account reference. Box 1 shows unemployment compensation paid during the year. Box 2 shows state or local income tax refunds, credits, or offsets. Box 4 shows federal income tax withheld. Box 5 shows RTAA payments for trade adjustment assistance. Box 6 shows taxable grants. Box 7 shows agriculture payments. If you received a state tax refund and you deducted state taxes in a prior year, the refund may be taxable. Box 10A shows the state that issued the payment, and Box 11 shows state income tax withheld. Report unemployment compensation from Box 1 on Schedule 1 as Other Income on your Form 1040. If you received a state tax refund in Box 2 and you deducted state income taxes in the prior year using Schedule A, the refund is taxable in the year received. If you claimed the standard deduction, the refund is not taxable. Fill yours out free at FormsPal.com. This is general information, not tax advice.